Hello, I'm Tom Adeyoola, the Executive Chair of Innovate UK. I'm here at Bradford Live, the warm-up act for the Gorillas who are coming on, I think, and playing this weekend. I've just come out of a session with regional stakeholders where we've talked about the new UKRI mission and forthcoming 5-year strategy. It was a great session. We had university academics and administrators, investors, and local SMEs and startups. We talked about all of the issues and concerns and the positive part of the mission and how it resonated for them. A few of the key issues that came up today were in particular around place. So ensuring that as we're building the strategy, that we are really cognizant of ensuring that place and our strengths and weaknesses across the country are fully catered for in the program build phase, and in particular in talking about how we build the programs and ensuring that as we design them, we build in mechanisms for regions and place to give their voice and be able to advise rather than to engage after the fact. That was something that was really strongly felt by the group. There was this notion of ensuring that we're building from a place of strength based on data and our history of everything that we've done in the past. So making sure that the programs and the projects that we're building tomorrow are all built on the foundations of what we already know. So how can we generate that database structure? How can we make it available to all the regions and investors and in as close to real time as possible so that people understand the direction of travel and flow at the same time as we're building it? And then finally, I think the key sort of uplifting part of the conversation, I think, was this notion of ensuring that we're not just thinking about our research base and our capital base and bringing them together to really enhance the two, but also thinking about the social capital that we've got around the country. The amazing networks and connections are there for us to use and exploit to really drive a successful program. And the networks that we had even just today in that room, people who've worked together and people who can take the strategy and bring it to life.